I'm living in an entirely different world to most business owners right now, because over the past few weeks, I've built an AI system that runs across my entire companies, 4 companies, in fact. And this stuff is just quietly starting to take off among the people who are really in the know about how AI is helping business right now. And today, I want to bust this wide open for you all and share it so you can jump on it before everyone else catches on to this, before it's obvious that this was the next big thing. To give you an idea of what I mean, just last week, I went from an idea for a live webinar to over $1 million in revenue. In just 7 days, I was able to use this AI system to help me come up with the concept, plan the offer, help me plan and film 5 YouTube videos to market it, built the entire webinar deck, planned the entire webinar, built out all the infrastructure for it, the emails, the funnels, the follow-ups, the payment systems, delivered the webinar, collected the revenue in just 7 days, pretty much on my own. I didn't hire a bunch of extra people. I didn't hire a webinar agency. I had something behind me and working with me that no other business really has right now. And it's called an AI operating system, or an AIOS. And it is by far the most ludicrously powerful business tool that I've ever seen in my life. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what they are, how they work, and how even completely non-technical founders are setting them up right now in order to get ahead of this before it becomes super obvious and everyone starts to have them. This is the future of business. It's the biggest shift since the internet, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. If you guys are new to the channel and don't know who I am, my name is Lee Motley, and I've been building businesses for the past 7 years, and I've been deep in AI for the past 3, building AI companies. And right now I currently run 4 very different types of businesses in the AI space: an AI consulting and development agency where we work with MBA team and Fortune 500s to do their AI transformation. I also have a media company that's heavily AI backed for my personal brand. I have an education business or info business as well, and I have an AI SaaS product too. And the reason I give that context is because I'm applying this stuff across completely different business models, across content and education and services and software. And because of that, I've created a system that can help pretty much any business owner to get their own AIOS set up and be benefiting from this incredible new technology. And what I'm about to share with you is what I'm actually doing right now to operate all of these businesses with AI and get these incredible results like I just mentioned. So let's get into it. So what exactly is an AI operating system, and how do they work, and why are they so powerful? In order to answer this, we need to get a quick bit of context on understanding the kind of historical trend that we're riding here and why this shift to AI operating systems is ultimately inevitable. So if you zoom out and you look at history, there have really been only 2 other major technological shifts that fundamentally changed how companies operate. The first was the Industrial Revolution with machinery and assembly lines, where for the first time a business could actually produce at scale and things weren't made bespoke each time. And it changed essentially how we make things as businesses. The second major shift was the internet, where suddenly you could reach anyone, anywhere, instantly. You could build a global company from your bedroom, which many people have, and it basically changed how we reach people. So that's the second one. And right now we are living through the third, and most people haven't really named this yet, and I call it an AI operating system, or an AIOS. And this is the technological shift that changes how we run everything in our business. So an AI operating system, or AIOS, is an AI layer that wraps around your entire business. So you have your business model in the middle, and then you wrap an AIOS around it. And right now these things are being built with a tool called Claude Code, which, despite the name, does not actually require you to be a coder, just so you know. And this is not a chatbot that you open in some browser tab. It's not one single SaaS tool. It's a system that knows your business fully, connects to real data, it can think for you, automates parts of your operation, and frees you to work actually on your business instead of being stuck in it all the time. And the way I've built mine, it works in 5 layers, where each one of them is powerful on its own, but when you actually stack them together, they compound into something that completely changes how you operate as a founder. I cannot stress that enough, just how much of a shift this has been for me in running my business over the past few weeks. So let me walk you through these 5 different layers. The first layer is context, and this is where the AI actually learns about your business. So I'm sure if you've been using ChatGPT, you'll be familiar with that. Like every time you use it, you have to explain your whole situation from scratch to it, your strategy, your teams, your products. It's like onboarding a new employee every single conversation. With a properly set up context layer, that is over. The AI actually knows my business in a way that a co-founder would. It knows all of my team and their different roles. It knows our current strategy. It knows my processes. It knows my history. It's all loaded in, and every conversation I have with my AIOS starts off fully informed on where we're at in the business currently. In my case, my AI knows about all 4 of my businesses. It knows my team structure, my revenue model, my content strategy, my current priorities. I don't have to explain anything to it. I just work with it. The second layer is data. So how many different dashboards do you have to log into every day to know what the hell's going on in your business? Your CRM, your analytics, your revenue platform, or your marketing tools? For me, across these 4 businesses, it used to be 7 or 8 different platforms just to understand what the hell was going on in the morning. But with this data layer set up, all of that feeds now into one place in real time. I check the health of my business the same way you would check the weather app. It's just like one glance for me now. I see the revenue, community growth, new leads at my agency, content performance, website traffic, sales pipeline, all of it, all in one dashboard. Also, I can access it conversationally for more specific reports and say, hey, can you dig into this and this and this, and give me a report back to read over. The third layer is intelligence, and this is where it gets really freaking awesome. It was one of the big aha moments for me. Where now every morning before I even get out of bed, I have a full briefing waiting for me on my phone via Telegram, and it tells me everything important that happened across my business over the past 24 hours. Revenue changes, team updates, meeting summaries from calls that I didn't even attend, content performance, content ideas, any anomalies or opportunities. Like, it runs a full SWOT analysis on my business every morning. So now I'm the most informed person in my entire organization before 8 a.m. and I didn't have to sit through a single meeting to get there. So in this case, the AI isn't just storing information, it's synthesizing, it's connecting dots across different parts of your business that a human brain would physically struggle to hold at the same time, and it's delivering it to me in a way that's actually useful every single day. So it knows the context of the business, it knows your data, it knows all the information from the meetings, and when you stack them together into a daily brief, it's literally seeing everything and can give you such powerful insights across the business, as well as just a general update on how you're tracking numbers-wise. Now, the fourth layer that stacks on top of all of that is automate, and this is the one that actually starts to give you your life back as a founder. And the exercise that I recommend to the founders in my AIOS program, which we just had a massive intake for recently, is to sit down and list out every single one of the tasks that you do across your business, the recurring ones, like reporting tasks you have to do, every check-in, every manual data entry you have to do, every piece of content planned or written, every follow-up email, everything that you have to do across your business or businesses. I did this exercise myself and put it on YouTube, so I'll link that in the description below if you guys want to check that out. But basically, once you've got this list, you now ask your AI system or AIOS, hey, which of these can AI help me to do or fully do for me? And it can categorize it into yes or partially or no. And then once you've got that list, you just start asking Claude to help you build systems into your AIOS to start crossing these off one by one, permanently. Like, you don't have to do that work ever again. For example, scoping and creating proposals for our AI consulting and development deals was a super long and painful task, which soaked up a lot of man hours at my agency. So I built a tool into my AIOS that pulls the call transcripts from the client calls. It's able to apply our methodology for scoping and proposal building and produce completed slide decks that we can go to them and make our proposals with. So every task like this that you wrap in automation is time you're never going to lose again. It actually compounds. This was what got me so addicted to this stuff. It's like the most addicting video game I've ever played, because for the first time with these AI tools, I feel like I'm actually meaningfully crossing stuff off and freeing up bandwidth, where now I can do like 20 to 30% of my work is like must-dos, and the rest of it is like open space for me to decide to like, hey, new initiatives, rather than just constantly treating water. So these gains, when you build it into your system, it actually compounds. Like, week after week, you are systematically buying back your own bandwidth as a founder. And the fifth layer is build, and this is really the final payoff for all the hard work you do to build your AIOS. So when you've built the first 4 layers, something happens that most founders haven't experienced since the early days of their business. I certainly hadn't. And it's having bandwidth again. It's having real bandwidth on your schedule. Not like I squeezed out an extra hour bandwidth, but I mean actual mental space and time to think, to create, and strategize and plan and build new things and new initiatives for your business, not just treading water and keeping up with the must-dos every day. So just like I did over the past 7 days with this $1 million webinar launch, I focused the bandwidth that I'd freed up from automating my tasks to this new initiative. I got more work done in a week than an entire team would be able to do over a quarter normally. Because not only do I as the founder have the most perspective and understanding of the business, I now have a tool that can help me to do this rapidly, to plan things, to look into the business to get more data, to search the web to find strategies, to pull things in, to extract transcripts from YouTube videos. I can just pull it all into my AIOS system, and it can be like my co-pilot to help me get things done faster than ever, while also being fully contextualized on everything that's happening in my business. So it's like the most aligned assistant, co-founder, CEO, COO who can just execute on things for you. And the thing is, when you get to this point where you've automated and freed up a lot of that bandwidth, you do have a choice. Do you want to keep expanding your business with new products, or exploring new markets, or adding in new capabilities? Or do you want to use that extra bandwidth to step back and actually enjoy the freedom you wanted when you started this business in the freaking first place? Like, we're all so chained and stuck at our desks, and we end up feeling guilty when we take a holiday because we know there's a whole bunch of stuff that needs to be done. But finally, with these kinds of AI systems, you can actually build a business that you envisioned, and one that serves you and not the other way around. Now, I don't want any of this stuff to sound too theoretical, so let me show you what it actually looks like day to day for me. So this, for example, is my morning intelligence brief. It arrives on my Telegram every day before I wake up. It does a full synthesis across across all 4 businesses, analyzes all the calls that happened in the previous day, pulls all data from all sources over the past day, and then stitches it together into a very helpful short message in Telegram, but also, if I want to read it, a 5 to 10 page PDF document that dives deep into things and helps to be kind of like my strategic assistant, analyzing how these things are sort of stitching together across the business, doing, like I said, that full SWOT analysis, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and seeing that big picture for me. This right here is my data layer, revenue across the different businesses, clicks on things like Bitly, driving traffic to certain places, content stats, website traffic, all in one place for me instead of being spread across multiple different dashboards and spreadsheets. And this is an example of a report that I generated to brief my entire team at my education business post-webinar. It took me about 15 minutes to pull in all the data and write a comprehensive, polished doc to brief my entire company. And that one's a really good example of just a heavily assisted workflow where that usually would have taken me hours to prep, and I was able to do it in 15 minutes because it's connected into all my data sources. We can pull all the data in, kind of smush it around, decide what sections we want to have in that brief, and then it's able to generate the PDF for me to send to my team. And it, of course, has full context on the different teams, the different members, and everything that goes on in those departments. And all of this, the entire AIOS system, can literally be run from my phone with a Telegram setup that I have. So when I'm on the go or traveling or just taking the day off, I have full access to every bit of power that I've set up into my AIOS, the ability to manage the 4 companies, over 60 people across all of them. I can run it literally from my phone if I wanted to. And I've got a kind of funny vlog coming where I show you guys what it's actually like for me to test the limits of that and see how much I can really get done on a day out when I don't have my laptop. Now here's the thing, I'm not just doing this to show off, right? I'm trying to show you that this stuff is possible right now with the tools that already exist. I'm not talking about some future like 2 years down the line. You can do it today. Like that 7-day sprint I told you about at the beginning. Let me just quickly break that down so you see what this looks like in action. On day 1 and 2, I analyzed all of my YouTube comments. I also analyzed a bunch of messages that are in my community, and I got my AIOS to analyze all of that and surfaced all the themes of what people wanted to know about this kind of technology and helped me to plan out the webinar and offer structure. On day 3 and 4, I had 5 YouTube videos planned, packaged, and filmed, and I was able to use my content pipeline, which runs in my AIOS, to help me develop those concepts, generate the titles, generated the thumbnail strategy for each of them. Then on day 5, I found a proven webinar strategy. I took those docs into my AIOS. I was able to build out the entire webinar structure and built out the slides with AI. Then I built out the email sequences, the Telegram funnels, the follow-up automations, the payment systems, everything set up. The landing page and the funnel and everything that went with that, all of that set up. Then on day 6, I delivered the webinar. Then on day 7, we generated enough deposits, bookings, and PIFs that will accumulate to over $1 million New Zealand dollars in sales over the next 7 days. Every single step of that process was vastly accelerated by the system. The research and analysis of what I should even put in it, the content of the webinar and the YouTube videos, the infrastructure setup, the data analysis, the follow-ups, all of it. And like, how long would that have taken most businesses? Like a quarter or 2? I was able to do that in literally 7 days, pretty much on my own. And that is the compounding effect of having 5 layers in this AIOS system all working together. Not only can it clear the bandwidth for you, but when you choose to use that bandwidth that you've sort of cleared for yourself, you have this full power AI assistant system that can help you to research and plan and execute on any new initiative you want in your business. And that is what's really going to move the needle for you guys. And now I know there is a lot of noise in the AI space right now where every creator and his dog and his dad has got a trick or a hack or a prompt to show to you. And sure, some of that is good, but the problem is that none of it gives you a unifying system to add it to. And that's why it doesn't work. None of it actually compounds. And that's because these people making these videos aren't actually running any kind of business at scale. They're creators and not founders. And if you're a founder and you do get fully charged up on the stuff, if you build a system like this, if you train your teams on it as well, it is a complete game changer, and it's literally the future of business. And I don't say that lightly. As I said, I have this working across 4 different kinds of businesses right now. And even at the early stages that we are right now, I'm seeing the most ridiculous productivity acceleration I've ever seen in my time in business, and that is 7 years. Not as much as some of you guys, but as far as online business goes, I've been around. So with all that noise out there, what you need is a clear model and a blueprint for what is actually working, not theoretically, but what is actually working right now for other founders. So here's what I'd recommend. I'm running a free live webinar where I break down exactly how to build an AI operating system as a non-technical founder for your business. It is the full blueprint, the actual system, the actual approach and methodology and mental models you need of what I'm seeing work with not only my business, but also hundreds of business owners that are now in my program, building the stuff alongside me, using my plug and play modules that I'm giving to them. What business owners need right now, almost more than just being aware of this stuff, is a clear model to cut out the rest of the noise and just stick to this because you know it actually works at the end, rather than having to think about 16 different ways to do it. A proven model that you can just stick to and know that you're going to get a good result at the end of it. And that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in that webinar. So if you're a business owner or a founder, or if you've been thinking about starting a business, this is the one that you do not want to miss when it comes to building your businesses right for the AI era with an AI operating system. And that'll be completely free, guys. Link is in the description. If you want to see the video where I break down my plan to automate 60 to 70% of my businesses with my Claude code based AIOS, I'll link that up here for you guys to check out. But aside from that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the webinar, and I'll see you in the next one.